How to swipe or go back on any iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate backward on any iPhone using swipe gestures. This guide covers the standard back swipe gesture, alternative methods for one-handed use, and tips to enhance your navigation experience. So let's dive right in. So basically, this swipe feature is enabled on some apps only. If you're not able to swipe back, so that means the application does not allow that feature. Now, for example, I have opened this over here and this is the window that I opened. And now you can see that it doesn't really have any swipe back feature. So I'll need to simply click on cross or just minimize it. Now, for example, we have this over here. I'm going to click on this browse over here. And now over here, I can simply swipe back like this and I can just swipe in order to go back. Now, if some applications don't have this feature, you can simply click on this arrow at the top left in order to go back. Now, if you're at homepage of the App Store, for example, I'm here in the Today section. Now, from here, if I go to another window such as search, if I try to go back, I can't go back to the Today section because there's nowhere to go back. You cannot switch windows using the swipe feature. You can only and only go back using it. So that is basically how you can swipe and go back on an iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.